Thank you, sir.
It was roughly around 6:30 in the morning. Myself and my partner, Mike Mullins, got a call for a woman ill.
When two firefighters in Norwood, Ohio, responded to what they thought was a routine call, it turned out to be anything but.
Started going up the stairs with our trauma bag, our first in bag.
We're maybe halfway up, and our monitor starts going off.
Then we realized it was our CO Altair monitor that we carry on our first in bag. And at the top of the stairs, we witnessed our patient who appeared sick.
She sat down on the couch and then tried to talk some more.
When she passed out.
And at that point, our monitor was reading about 1,100.
Around 1,200 parts per million. It's an immediate life hazard situation.
At this point, we realized it's 1160 something. We got to do something now.
We decided to just grab her and get out of the environment as quickly as possible.
That decision probably saved their lives.
Without the Altair monitor, I believe we would have possibly perished in that apartment as well.
350 miles away from Norwood, in Cranberry, Pennsylvania, is the MSA plant where Altair gas detectors are designed and built. And standing behind every device is the person who makes them.
My name is Tim Crawford.
My name is Debbie Devosevic.
Rob Johnson, Gregory Garforth.
Estelle Atkinson Hill.
Dr. Megan Swanson.
My name is Mike Toucher. I'm the plant manager here at the Cranberry plant.
The coverage is very nice and even across the board.
I work with a great bunch of people. They're all committed to what we do.
As plant manager, Mike Toucher knows that people are a company's most important resource. What they do is all about precision, care, and quality.
First of all, many people here have a lot of tenure, 25, 30 years experience in this site. And it immediately becomes apparent of how proud they are of what they do. They want to talk to you about it. They want to show you what they do.
The people at MSA's Cranberry plant are meticulous in their design and assembly of the Altair 5X and 4X multi-gas detectors, the Altair and Altair Pro single gas detectors, and the Galaxy automated test system. For decades, emergency responders, people in mining, chemical, steel making, and other industries such as oil and gas have depended on these life-saving devices and the people who make them.
We have a very savvy workforce. They understand to be successful and develop security and to extend our mission here, we have to take care of the customer. They just step up time after time and really demonstrate and show what a quality organization this is.
It also has a quality reputation that is well earned, in part because every critical component used in the Altair line of detectors is made by MSA. And just about every device is built to order.
It's important that we don't have those products sitting on the shelf waiting for somebody to buy them. That's why our mission is to build the product just when the customer needs it. That way they're getting what they call a very fresh product right off the assembly line that meets their requirements.
An integral part of that assembly is here, where associates create the gas detector circuit board. The staff calls it the heart of the product.
This may look like fiberglass with parts on it, but this is the beginning of a life-saving device.
Estelle Atkinson Hill has been with MSA for 20 years. She's in one of the most high-tech areas of the plant, the surface mount area of the printed circuit board department. Here, robots build multiple boards at one time, and by year's end, they'll make more than 1 million. But Estelle says it's the dedication and watchful eyes of her 65 co-workers that make all the difference.
But they're hard-working people, and they really do care about the quality of their job.
Final assembly and testing of the circuit board takes place here with employees like Gwen Matson.
I solder buzzers onto the circuit boards, and that alarm will go off when there's gas detection. When I'm working on the circuit board, I think about people who use it.
If the circuit board is the heart,
The sensors are mainly assembled by hand.
the sensor is the soul of the Altair gas detector.
The operators use their fine motor skills and put all the components together, paying attention to the order and the detail and the placing of all the components.
In sensor production, Debbie Devosevic's team makes sure every sensor is built to exacting standards to detect oxygen and toxic gases such as hydrogen sulfide, carbon monoxide, and many others. The staff uses state-of-the-art semi-automatic technology designed specifically for MSA's XCell sensors. This revolutionary sensor was designed in-house by a team that even designed the equipment on which the sensors are built. The result? Consistently high levels of quality and performance.
I see the concentration in the faces of the associates as I walk through the department, and they really care, they're passionate about what they do because they know a life is on the line.
This is our shock stand. This is what we use to simulate impact testing and to measure and improve the durability of our sensors. Our sensors are able to be dropped from a 20-foot high area onto concrete, and the signal will not change.
Durability is key because the product is often used in high-risk situations and extreme conditions. They're tested in heat, cold, and water, and exposed to every gas they are designed to detect.
So now these instruments are sensing for the methane, and this assures us that the instruments are working correctly.
From one hand to another, the Altair detectors undergo 100% testing throughout the plant.
Every instrument is looked at. If there's 5 people in there, 10 eyes are always looking at that instrument.
Tim Crawford oversees the production line where the Altair 4X and 5X models undergo final assembly. The work is done by hand. No detail overlooked.
Everybody through here just focuses on quality at a high level.
And if I had to depend on this for my life, I'd want it to be done right.
The team utilizes demand flow technology, enabling them to make each instrument to order, while achieving a remarkable expected lead time for the customer.
In here we assemble them to the order of what the customer wants, what kind of gases they want to detect. And we basically put all the product together and get it ready to ship. When I've completed my work on a product, I know and I feel confident that the person using that instrument is safe.
Every associate understands that our customers' lives depend on the performance of this product. And we speak to it every day.
When I see the MSA logo, I'm proud.
I feel a sense of pride.
Number one, that I'm very proud to be part of the team.
A team that has a clear vision of MSA's mission.
We're the safety company.
A team that knows the importance of the product.
It protects people's lives.
And understands what their work means to others.
I hope the people that use this product know that it was made by hands of people that really care about what they do.
Every day when I go home to my family, I'm thinking that the MSA customers are also able to go home to their families because of the products that I've helped build.
Well, you know, you can't put a dollar amount on somebody's life, but all the money that went into research and development, it paid off that day. You know, so you can tell the engineers at MSA that their time was spent wisely.
It's nice to know that what I do is keeping someone somewhere in this world safe.